Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making a teriyaki pork burger. Now this burger is absolutely amazing. It's going to be done on the grill. We got some freshly ground pork, some fresh pineapple that's going to be grilled on it, our homemade teriyaki sauce. If you missed that video, I'll drop a link in the description for it. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe, we are going to need 4 buns, 1 pound of ground pork, our homemade teriyaki sauce, about a half a cup, more if you want, 4 slices of pineapple, some salt and pepper. First thing we're gonna do is make up the burger patties. Our grill's fired up. We're gonna get out there and get them on. Now for our patties, we're gonna make about a 1/4 pound. We're gonna take a quarter of the meat, form it into a nice patty. Pack down those edges, just like you do a regular burger. Just like that, beautiful. Do another one. We're gonna season them with some salt and pepper. And then we're gonna get them and the pineapple on the grill. So I'll see you out there. All right, our grill's nice and hot. First thing we're gonna get on is our pork patties. Gonna lay these down. We're gonna give them about 3.5 minutes per side. And once we get these a flip, we're gonna get our pineapple on. Burgers are looking great. Let's give these a flip. Perfect. We're gonna give these about another 3.5 to 4 minutes per side. We're gonna baste them with our teriyaki sauce, but since we just flipped them, we're gonna drop our pineapple rings right onto the grill. Just wanna get some nice grill marks on these. This is gonna take about 2 minutes or so per side. Our pineapple has taken on some nice grill marks. Now we're gonna baste our pork burgers and our teriyaki sauce. Gonna go a little heavy with this. And just give that about a minute or so to set up. We're gonna flip it over, do the other side, toast up our buns, and we're gonna head in, plate it up, and get a taste. Now for the setup, we have our toasted bun. We're gonna go down a couple leaves of romaine lettuce. We're gonna take one of our burgers, go right on top. One of our rings of grilled pineapple, just like that. Now you can put onions, tomato, mayonnaise, whatever you want. I like the simplicity of it this way. Now we're gonna pan out and we're gonna get a taste of this wonderful thing. That's our teriyaki pork burger. Let's get a taste of this. Oh yeah. That's so good. You get the sweetness from the pineapple and the teriyaki sauce that will complement each other very well. They go excellent with the pork. You get the butteriness from the buttered toasted roll, the crispiness of the lettuce. This is absolutely amazing. If you like this recipe, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. Thanks for stopping in and we'll see you next time.